Okay, ladies and gentlemen, 7 to 8 minutes past 9. Debate number 1, Mufti Nasirul Islam, Deputy Grand Mufti, back on the news hour tonight. The last time he was on the debate, he walked off in a huff. I hope he will stay the course of the debate tonight. Pirzada Muhammad Amin Shah of the Muslim Personal Law Board, Rafi Ahmad Mir of the PDP, Shabnam Lone supports the separatists. Sushant Sareen of the Vivekananda International Foundation, Rashni Kher of Roots in Kashmir, General G.D. Bakshi joining me in the studio this evening, and RSN Singh completing our panel. I don't like parrots, Shabnam Lone. Whether it is the CBI being a parrot for a political party, or whether it is these paid parrots of Pakistan who call themselves the Hurriyat Conference. I don't like parrots. The hashtag tonight is Pak Parrots. What do you think these Pak Parrots are going to achieve by celebrating the Pakistani Constitution in the Pakistan High Commission? Shabnam Lone, open the debate. It's open after that. Yes, Shabnam Lone.
Yeah. Okay, Arnab,
let me
supporter of separatists. You stand corrected.
What?
Arnab ji, you stand corrected. You said I'm a supporter of separatists.
Yes.
You stand corrected. I am not a supporter of separatists. Well, I have my own point of view.
Let me say this. I feel you are a supporter of separatists, and you feel you are not. No, I feel you are. You feel you are not. Now let's debate.
I think your assumption is not correct.
Anyway, come to the subject. Come to the subject. What do these Pakistan parrots? What do these Pakistan parrots gain by pledging allegiance to Pakistan, by celebrating Pakistan Day while residing on Indian soil? What do these Pakistan parrots gain? Please continue.
Arnab, let us for argument's sake assume that I agree with you. I'm just saying for argument's sake. Now, I have a proposition. Now, this Mr. Basit, the ambassador of Pakistan, he has been absolutely bold and brilliant in his moves. Declare him persona non grata. That should satisfy everything. Why don't you declare him persona non grata?
What kind of an answer is that? What kind of an answer is that? My question was completely different. Rashni Kher, come to the debate. G.D. Bakshi can come to the debate. My question was what? My question was this, that, you know, it must be terrible. You have an Indian passport. You're on Indian soil. You're making money staying in India. The state of Jammu and Kashmir is benefiting from largesse and subsidies given by the government of India. You ought to owe some allegiance to India. Instead, you pledge your allegiance to Pakistan. Instead, you pledge your allegiance to Pakistan. That's my question. G.D. Bakshi into the debate. That's why I call them Pak Parrots. G.D. Bakshi. G.D. Bakshi, please. G.D. Bakshi, please. G.D. Bakshi's turn. You pledge your allegiance to Pakistan. Then you go and stay there. Those who pledge their allegiance to Pakistan should be living in Pakistan. Yes, please.
I think, Arnab, we have been remiss in not giving a one-sided visa to these Hurriyat specimens, which would have been done long ago. They are so fond of Pakistan, let them migrate to that God-forsaken country. And 2 years down the line, you will find from them a series of appeals to come back to this country and breathe free and fresh air. Here are a set of quislings. Here are a set of absolute traitors. The word fifth columnist and traitors and quislings was invented just for such people. They have grown rich on the fat of the land. You know, we had seen his house. I have served.
Whose house are you speaking of?
I am now talking of Gilani's house.
Right.
We had seen his house.
Say so tonight.
A decade back, and please see the palace that he lives in today.
Where has the money come from?
Funds from both our agencies and much more than that from Pakistan. You see, that is why this man sings
but their loyalty is with Pakistan.
Absolutely.
My issue is tonight with the loyalty they have towards Pakistan. Can Mufti Nasirul Islam explain to us the joy that these people feel in not recognizing the Indian Constitution while celebrating at the same time the adoption of Pakistan's Constitution on Pakistan Day? I mean, no sense of loyalty at all. Where does this loyalty for Pakistan come from? I want to understand. This love for Pakistan, this loyalty to Pakistan, this loyalty to the Pakistani Constitution, Where does this loyalty to Pakistan come from, Mufti Nasirul
Mr.
Islam?
Arnab, can
I think
you
you have
answer
also
this
been
question?
invited,
Now I
haven't
heard
you?
what you said.
You have also been invited, haven't you?
Yes, exactly.
Yes,
I have been
fantastic. So
invited.
tell
Here
me,
is the-
where does your loyalty to
Yes.
Pakistan come from?
I'm going.
Yeah.
I'm also going there.
Yeah, fantastic. Congratulations. That's perhaps
So
your
I want
highest
you to-
moment.
I
But where
want
does
you
this
to read
loyalty for
India and
Pakistan come from?
Resolution of 13 August 1948 and 5th of January 1949. It says that the final disposition of the state of Jammu and Kashmir will be made in accordance with the will of the people expressed through democratic method of free and impartial
RSN.
UN.
What were our elections?
No, what's-
that
what's-
were
You
held?
should understand. This means that Pakistan is a party to Kashmir dispute.
No, you asked.
Who is this?
Listen.
That is RSN Singh.
Who
If
is
you
this?
don't, that's RSN Singh.
Listen.
Don't take such
No,
offense because somebody else wants to come in. RSN Singh, please. RSN Singh.
just telling
Mufti
you-
Nasirul Islam.
No,
RSN Singh has a right to his view. RSN Singh has a right to his
I
view.
heard the I heard Hurriyat leaders comments on. I heard Hurriyat leaders comments on POK.
It is our right to go there. It is my right to go there. You cannot force your opinion on
POK.
us. You cannot force your opinion
You
on us.
have love. You have love for the Chinese. You have love for Pakistan, but you don't have the love for the land of your forefathers. You don't have any love for
This
the
is the
history.
India. We believe that India is an occupation zone here. For your kind information, you must understand.
Please don't shout. Please don't shout. Today you have made a statement in favor of China. You have made a favor of Pakistan. You have advocated Chinese presence in POK.
Don't mingle the issue. Don't mingle. Don't mix up issues.
And
Don't mix up issues.
Arnab, let me tell you. Oh, don't shout. Don't shout.
Arnab, you are bringing these posted boys on your show.
Lower your decibel. I can't hear a thing. Listen. What I'm saying is, Arnab asked a very, very pertinent question. What do the Hurriyat leaders gain by these meetings? Arnab, these meetings are no ordinary.
Why should we explain it to you? Why should we explain it to you?
You ought to explain it to us. You ought to explain it to us. You ought to explain it to us. 1 second. You say, why should we explain it to you? You say, no, 1 second. 1 second.
The militant activity.
No, you say, why should we explain it to you? Because I want to understand. Last time I said something to you, you walked off the program. Today, don't walk off the program. Answer my question. Yeah, answer the question.
You made a derogatory remark.
I made no derogatory remark. I made no derogatory remark.
Yes,
I did not. I said don't
I
wait.
hope today you will mind your language.
And Mr. Mufti Nasirul Islam, you too will mind your conduct. Let's calm down now. Answer the question. To the viewers of News Hour Tonight, one question goes, and I want to understand this.
I told you that
I want to understand this. I want to understand this. I want to understand this. You answer on the basis of your reason. Don't throw your religious card at me. Where you stand, whether you're a Mufti or a Maulvi, does not matter to me.
I'm not throwing religious card. It's a fact. You have to accept it.
Well, the fact that you need to accept is this, and the people of India asking people like you, the people of India asking people like you, that you have exposed yourself while celebrating the adoption of Pakistan's constitution. You are celebrating the adoption of Pakistan's constitution on Pakistan Day like a Pakistani stooge, but you will not recognize. Why will you not recognize the adoption of the Indian Constitution? Tell me. Why will you not celebrate the adoption of the Indian Constitution?
Everything will be settled down.
Why will you not?
I'll tell you why.
Why will you not?
I'll tell you why.
Why will you not celebrate the
Arnab,
adoption of
I'll tell
the
you
Indian
why.
Constitution? Now Rashni Khed is coming to the debate.
Settle down Kashmir issue.
Well, celebrate the adoption of the Indian Constitution, which recognizes Kashmir as an integral part of India.
Mufti Saab, Arnab, Arnab, I'll answer. Arnab, I'll answer why he will not accept.
Yes, please.
बोलिए.
Because the truth is, the people of Kashmir have rendered them as nobodies.
Yeah.
Whatever little,
अरे
things
साहब,
are thrown at
मेरे
them
ख्याल में आप
come
कश्मीर
from
आ जाएं,
Pakistan.
आप प्राइम
They
मिनिस्टर
owe
मैं
everything.
उसके साथ कंटेस्ट करूंगा.
सर, मैं कश्मीरी हूँ, मैं आपसे कश्मीरी में. मुफ्ती साहब, please don't shout in my ear. Mufti Saab, please don't shout in my ear.
No.
Mufti Saab, please don't shout in my ear. Have some decent manners.
We cannot
After Pandits have left, you have lost manners also. कोई सिखाने वाला नहीं रह गया क्या आपको तमीज? पंडित चले गए, तमीज भी भूल गए हो यार आप लोग तो. अरे मुफ्ती साहब चुप हो जाओ खुदा के वास्ते. अरे अल्लाह ताला के वास्ते चुप हो जाओ. क्यों फटी टेप की तरह बोल रहे हो यार? अरे मुफ्ती साहब चुप हो जाओ. क्यों फटी टेप की तरह बोल रहे हो यार?
पता नहीं आप कौन है.
सुन लो 2 मिनट, सुन लो. द प्रॉब्लम अर्नब इज he will throw.
पंडित लग रहे हो.
हाँ बिल्कुल हूँ सर, कश्मीरी पंडित हूँ और बहुत हिंदुस्तानी हूँ और दिल से हिंदुस्तानी हूँ. आपकी तरह गद्दार नहीं हूँ, गद्दार नहीं हूँ.
हिंदुस्तान के
जिस देश का खाता हूँ उस देश में अपना ईमान रखता हूँ. मुसलमान का मतलब होता है मुसल्लम ईमान, पूरा ईमान रखने वाला. जो गद्दार हो वो मुसलमान नहीं हो सकता. आप तो मुसलमान नहीं हो. कुरान में आप जैसे लोगों को फितनागर कहा गया है और आपको दोजक होगी आप जैसे लोगों को वहां जब रोजे कयामत होगी. तो मैं कौन हूं वो मैं बाद में बताऊंगा.
पंडितों के लिए है, आप जैसे लोगों के लिए है. Don't talk nonsense. I warn you, don't talk.
देखिए, okay, you have exposed yourself. Arnab, I am done. Arnab, I am done. Arnab, I am done.
Will someone
This is who these stooges of Pakistan are. I am so happy you said what you said. I am so happy you said. It has exposed you completely. It has. You are naked to the bone, Grand Mufti. Grand Mufti, you are naked to the bone.
I am telling you.
You are just exposed. You are making a fool of yourself.
That Kashmir is a disputed
Grand Mufti,
territory.
please, for God's sake, please. भाई साहब आप पाकिस्तान के स्टूजेस हैं. जो वो बोलते हैं वही आप करते हैं. आपकी अपने आप से कश्मीरियों ने कोई औकात ही नहीं रखी है. There is no need. You are fool. You are making a fool of yourself with every statement that you are making
today. I challenge you. Bring your Modi here. I will contest election against him. Come on.
What?
Come on. I don't have to argue with you. I don't have to argue with you. You have exposed yourself by saying
look at now someone tell me. Okay, fine. Pirzada
you have lost your head, sir.
Pirzada Mohammad Amin Shah has not spoken, neither is Sushant Sari, neither is Rafi Ahmed Mir. So I'd like to get them into the debate as well. And don't mind Rafi Ahmed Mir, but my question will first go to Pirzada Mohammad Amin Shah, Secretary of the Muslim Personal Law Board. Tell me, what is the fun in being a Pakistani stooge? I want to understand, what is the fun in pledging allegiance to Pakistan while abusing your own country? Please explain to me where this loyalty, subservience, obsequiousness to Pakistan comes from. Pirzada Mohammad Amin Shah, you want to explain to the people watching tonight?
It is totally disgusting the way they are not debating here. They are quarreling each other. मैं ये सोच रहा हूँ कि ये इस डिबेट का जो कद्र कीमत है उसको ज़ाया कर रहे हैं. पहले इन पार्टिसिपेंट्स को ये चाहिए था कि वो तहजीब को अपना शऊर बनाए और कैसे बात की जाए. पूरी दुनिया इस डिबेट को देख रही है और नहीं लगता है कि कोई अच्छे लोग इस डिबेट में आए हैं. पहले इस बात का मुझे अफसोस है.
चलिए, why don't you come to the point?
दूसरी बात ये है कि जहां तक
आप अपनी बात कीजिए.
RSN, one second. Yes, please. Yes, go on.
मैं कह रहा हूँ आप अपनी बात कीजिए.
जी. पिरज़ादा
मैं
जी,
अपनी ही बात कर रहा हूँ. आपको अगर बात समझ में नहीं आती है वो अलग बात है, लेकिन पहले आप इनको तमीज सिखाइए ये कैसे बात करें.
नहीं, अभी तक
ये किसी के सेंटिमेंट को हर्ट करने के लिए यहाँ नहीं आए हैं.
सवाल ये है,
नंबर 1. नंबर 2,
you haven't spoken one line of substance.
Please come to the
A
point.
the question is this, Pirzada ji, so you can explain and focus on it. I am asking you, why would these Pakistani parrots expose themselves by giving a stamp of acknowledgement over Islamabad's control over them? Why would they parrot Pakistan's line? Why would they ingratiate themselves with Pakistan? Why would they not recognize the Indian constitution while celebrating Pakistan's adoption of its constitution? Can you explain this question to
पहले ये
me
बात
logically?
कौन
Yeah.
इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन से गद्दारी करता है, पहले ये देखने की बात है। मेरे मानने और आपके न मानने से ये कोई नहीं कहता है। सो फार वी आर इन इंडिया, हमें इस कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन को मानना है किसी भी सूरत में।
तो फिर मान
बट
क्यों
एट
नहीं
द
रहे
सेम
हैं?
टाइम कश्मीर बात सुनिए ना पहले
मान
मेरी।
क्यों नहीं रहे फिर?
Let
No,
me
one second.
answer. Let me
No,
answer
no,
first.
you ask
Let
Mufti
me
Nasirul
answer
Islam.
first.
You ask Mufti Nasirul Islam whether he accepts the Indian constitution. You ask him right now. You ask him right now whether he accepts
वो
the Indian
उससे-
constitution.
वो खुद
You ask
बताएंगे,
you ask
देखिए
him.
ना।
No, you
तो-
ask him because I said I think he's a Pakistani
मेरी बात सुनिए,
parrot.
नहीं,
You
आप
ask him.
अपनी बात मेरे मुंह में मत रखिए। मसला ये है कि so far Kashmir dispute is there, unless and until it will not be resolved,
I am saying.
till then ये सारा कुछ होता रहेगा। लेकिन मुझे डिस्गस्टिंग इसमें ये लगा कि हमारे मोहतरम बख्शी साहब ये गिलानी साहब की मकान की बात कर रहे हैं। अफसोस का मुकाम है ये।
क्यों नहीं करे साहब?
लेवल ऑफ थिंकिंग क्या है वो समझ में आ रही है।
थिंकिंग ये है कि पैसा बोलता है।
जी।
अफसोस की बात ये है
पैसा बोलता
कि
है,
पैसे
लेकिन
के
मुझे
लिए
लगता है
लोग
आप ही लोग
कितने
हैं जो ये
बिकाऊ हो
पैसा
सकते
बटोर रहे
हैं।
हैं।
पैसे
It is
के लिए
shame on your
लोग
part.
अपना जमीर कैसे बेच सकते हैं, इसकी नुमाइश अगर आप
तो नहीं
देखना
देखा
चाहते
किसी को बेचते
हैं
हुए,
तो
आपने
जम्मू
देखा
कश्मीर
होगा
जाइए,
महल।
वहां के
लेकिन
ऐश
इस
महल
फोरम में,
देखिए।
इस फोरम
ऐश
में
महल
आप ईरानी साहब का मकान
मैं
डिस्कस
आपको
कर रहे
बता
हैं।
रहा हूं
बजाय
कि
इसके आप
अपना
कश्मीर
जमीर
इश्यू को डिस-
कितने
एड्रेस करिए।
रुपए में कैसे
That
बेचा
will be
जा
fruitful.
सकता है
अगर आप
और
अपने
उसकी
कश्मीर को
भद्दी
issue करते हैं।
नुमाइश कैसे की जा सकती है वो आपने देखना है।
साहब,
तो
बख्शी
वहां
साहब,
के
मेरी बात
ऐश मुकाम
मेरे
देखे,
पहले
वो ऐश महल
अगर आप
देखे जो खड़े किए गए
इश्यू को
हैं
एड्रेस
पाकिस्तान
करेंगे,
के
बजाय
पैसे
इसके
पे,
कि कितना
ISI के
मकान है,
पैसे पे।
उसमें कितने कमरे हैं, ये पैसा
कितने कमरे
कहाँ
हैं
से
साहब,
आया,
तो वो
या
आपने
ये
गिने होंगे
उन्होंने
जाके।
उनको दिया है।
मैं आपको कह रहा हूं
तो
कि
मुझे
ये
लगता है आप
पाकिस्तान
जैसे
का
आदमी
पैसा
के लिए ये
है
शोभा
और ये
देता
जो
है।
बोलचाल
आप
है,
ईंटें गिनने
ये
पे
जो
लगे हुए
हसरत
हैं,
है,
इसके कि we will address
आप
the Kashmir issue।
पैदा हुए भारत की सरजमीं में
जब तक ये
और आपकी जो वफादारी है वो पाकिस्तान के साथ है। क्यों? क्योंकि वहां से पैसा आ रहा है
आपके
चंद
कहने से मेरी
कांच के
वफादारी
टुकड़ों
बदल
के
नहीं
लिए।
सकती है।
आपने
मुझे
मीर
लगता है
जाफर का
आप
नाम
किसी
सुना है?
के बड़े लोग हैं।
आपने मीर जाफर का नाम सुना है?
बिला वजह और बिला ताखीर किसी
अरे
को
साहब मैं आपसे सीधा सवाल पूछ रहा हूं,
ठहरा रहे
आपने
हैं।
मीर जाफर का नाम सुना है?
Let Mufti Nasirul Islam reply.
मीर जाफर का नाम सुना है?
Mufti Nasirul Islam reply to
चंद
that
कांच
question.
के टुकड़ों पे जमीर बेचने वाले। और बताइए
Mufti Nasirul Islam, tell me, does
आपको
Pakistan,
एक
Mufti
जाफर की
Nasirul
नजर आ रहा है,
Islam,
बाकी
Shabnam
बहुत
Loan,
सारे
Shabnam
आपको
Loan,
नजर आ रहे हैं।
one second, Shabnam, let's come to the point. अगर ये पैसों के लिए है तो उस पर
क्या
बात हो
करें?
जाए।
ऐसी
शबनम
बातें
लोन एंड
करें
मुफ्ती
कि
नसीरुल
कर्म
इस्लाम,
के
प्लीज टेल
डिबेट
मी,
में आने के
कैन यू
लिए
डिनाई
totally
दैट हुरियत लीडर्स गेट फंडिंग फ्रॉम पाकिस्तान? Shabnam Loan, you tell me, is there any doubt that they get funding from Pakistan?
Prove it.
No, do they? What do you
If
mean?
you have Arnab, if you have
Arnab.
proof, prove it.
You are saying
Prove it.
Prove it.
Arnab ji, can
Okay.
I answer
No, you
now?
tell me, Mufti Nasirul Islam,
No,
these
we don't have. We don't have any proof. If you have a proof,
do you receive
prove it.
do these Hurriyat leaders receive funding from Pakistan? Tell me.
हवाला ट्रांजैक्शन।
Are there hawala transactions? Are there hawala transactions? Why don't you answer, Mufti Nasirul Islam? Are
You,
there
you are
hawala
asking me
transactions?
this question or to Shabnam?
बेशक
No, I'm
बेशक
asking the
आपको-
question to you first because you are getting very worked up. I'm asking the question to you. Are there
Okay,
are there
okay.
hawala transactions?
If you have a proof, prove it.
Okay, then here's a
If you
question.
have a proof,
Was there
prove
an
it.
okay? Listen to me. No, why are you repeating yourself? Was there an investigation by the National Investigation Agency which revealed that between 2008 and 2011, 4.57 crores had been received illegally from Pakistan through hawala via Delhi to separatist leaders and the Hizbul Mujahideen? Tell me now.
Through time. is
Tell
now.
me now. Tell me now. What? No,
Arnab.
tell me now.
This is a.
Answer the question, yes or no?
Question.
Pardon
you
me?
Should, you
ED
should
had a
come up
trial-
with a proof.
trial of
Why you
money.
are
Rashid Khair is
had a
back to
trial
the
of
agency
money
have not taken any cognizance for
from
that.
Norway.
Why they kept mum?
From Norway, ED had a trial of money from Norway. ED had a trial of money from Switzerland. Abdul Majid Trambu has been instrumental in giving money to separatists. Women have been caught with money at Banihal in their pajamas. I mean, who are we fooling here? I can give you 100 instances when money has been, people have been caught with money coming to separatists, including Mirwais.
It's not. I'm asking you whether you are doing what you are doing.
This doesn't cut much ice, Mufti Sahab. Mufti Sahab, please.
हकीकत से मुंह नहीं
Mufti Sahab,
तोड़
I will
सकते।
tell you that separatists.
ये हकीकत कश्मीर के बच्चे बच्चे को पता है, आप समझते हैं? और ये बड़े अफसोस के साथ कहना पड़ता है कि आप मीर जाफर की जो ट्रेडिशन है उसको आगे ले जा रहे हैं। आपने मीर जाफर का नाम मैं फिर पूछता हूँ, आपने वो नाम सुना है?
Don't tell.
What don't tell? जो असलियत है वो है, कौन उसको डिनाई करेगा?
अरे साहब,
आपने तो पाप का मकान खड़ा किया है।
You are a murderer. You must know. People know you well.
अरे साहब, मर्डरर रहने दीजिए, आप जैसे लोगों को मैंने बचाया है। आप अगर जिंदा हैं तो हम फौजियों की वजह से। आप प्लीज ये याद रख लीजिए, आप फौज का हाथ हट जाए तो आप लोग नहीं रहेंगे।
50,000 youth were killed. Cannon Poshpora, we should remember that. We have not forgotten Cannon Poshpora.
Recently the Indian Army saved Sayyid Salahuddin son.
Truth be told tonight, RSN. Truth be told, it is no secret. And Shabnam Lone, the truth is very, very harsh here. It is no secret that members of the Hurriyat have been charge-sheeted by the Enforcement Directorate against terror funding in Jammu and Kashmir. And with the same people, going to shake hands with the representative of Islamabad, you are doing nothing. You are doing nothing, Mufti Nasirul Islam, but proving what for long has been alleged, that you are doing the bidding of Pakistan while sitting in India. You have sold your souls and sacrificed your loyalty to the Pakistani government. I want to know why. And I want to know how many home truths you are willing to tell the Pakistanis. Mufti Nasirul Islam, my question to you is this. Mufti Nasirul Islam, Mufti Nasirul Islam, Mufti Nasirul Islam, Mufti Nasirul Islam, will you go and tell that Basit or whatever his name is, that High Commissioner of Pakistan, will you go and tell him that in your country in 2012, 312 members of the Shia Muslim population were killed in targeted attacks? Will you tell him that in Baluchistan 100 people were killed from the Hazara community? Do you have the guts? Do you have the guts?
Where? How many? Muslims?
Do you have the guts?
How many Muslims were killed?
Do you have the guts to say that?
How many Muslims were killed in India? And why you forgot Gujarat?
I am asking you whether you have the guts to tell. Whether you have the guts to tell.
I am asking you this question.
I am asking you the question. I am asking you the question. You're the one going to celebrate Pakistan's Foundation Day. Listen to me. I am asking you, Muslim Mufti Nasirul Islam, whether you will accept that 869 women.
I am asking Arnab Goswami this question.
I am asking Mufti Nasirul Islam the question. Don't get scared. Will you tell him that in 2012,
I'm bold enough to answer your question.
Why won't you answer my question, Mufti Nasirul Islam? क्योंकि आप पाकिस्तान के साथ जो your love and infatuation with Pakistan, why don't you give up the Indian passport? Honestly. Why do you want to carry the Indian passport?
Why don't
you give up the Indian passport?
Everything will be.
I think people like you have no right to carry the Indian passport. I think people like you have no right to carry the Indian passport.
Let us settle down the issue according to the resolution of the UN.
What resolution of the UN? I am asking you why you are asking.
When he applied for the Indian passport.
Sushant Sareen is coming to the debate. I have one fundamental question to ask Sushant Sareen. These hypocrites, these Pakistan parrots will celebrate the adoption of the Pakistani constitution but not recognize the adoption of the Indian constitution. I call them parrots. I call them hypocrites. How would you describe them? Yeah.
The Pakistanis,
you may call them parrot, you may call
the
them
Pakistanis themselves don't celebrate their own constitution. No, look, the Pakistanis themselves don't celebrate their own constitution. The amount the Kashmiris or at least these characters would want to do.
the tragedy really is what that these people have never understood is that they are pawns in the game. The Pakistanis do what they do and they pander to these guys, or they use these guys not because they're in love with Kashmir, but because of their hatred for India. This is what the Kashmiris have not understood, which is why they have become pawns and which is why they have got killed at the hands of the Pakistanis and their agents. When these guys keep talking about the amount of killings which have happened in the Kashmir Valley or the Kashmir state for that matter, a large, in fact, overwhelming number of those casualties or those murders were done by the Pakistani proxies and the Pakistani terrorists who infiltrated into Kashmir. This is a fact which these people often ignore.
Don't laugh
the
it off.
second
Don't
point
laugh
is
it off.
that, you know, there is some responsibility which also falls upon the government of India. We set up red lines and then we erase those red lines. Now, if frankly, if we feel so strongly about these Hurriyat parrots going to the Pakistan High Commission reception, then perhaps one of the things which the government of India can do is not send any representative of the government to that particular function.
Absolutely.
After all, that was a position which the government had taken, that either you talk to these fellows and see if you can get something out of these fellows. Even the Pakistanis know that the Hurriyat means nothing to nobody. They just use the Hurriyat as a kind of a provocation to poke us in the eye. So I think the government of India should say, okay, fine, you call the whole of these bunch to the High Commission, you entertain them. There will be nobody from the government of India to represent the government out there. And if you think you can get something out of these losers, go ahead. See what you can get.
Yeah.
If you want to talk on substantive issues, come, let's talk to us, and between the two sides, let's see if we can come to some kind of a solution. These fellows don't count for anything. And just a last point on this Hawala thing, you know, Arnab, a guy like you or me, if we live beyond our means, there will be tax guys coming and knocking on our doors, all sorts of questions being asked of us. How come the government of India and all the authorities of India simply go into some kind of a deep sleep when it comes to these people and these guys living
Well, the
beyond their
reason is
means?
because they're
What
still
happens
doing
to all
business
those
with parties
mechanisms
like
of
the
government of
PDP.
India?
The reason is
if you follow the money trail,
No.
if you follow the money trail, the Hawala transactions will be very well known. We know it. Why hasn't action been taken
Because
against
they're
these
still
guys?
doing
It's
business
taken
with
against
parties
you
like
and
the
me if we
PDP.
have unaccounted for money.
Because
why
they're-
not against these fellows?
Because they are still doing business with parties like the PDP. Which is why I'd like to ask Rafi Ahmad Mir, General Secretary of the PDP, what exactly his position is on these Hurriyat guys going to the Pakistan High Commission to celebrate, you know, and display their loyalty towards the Pakistani state. Rafi Ahmad Mir, you know, what GD Bakshi says is their purchased loyalty towards the Pakistani state. Rafi Ahmad Mir, what do you think about it? Shabnam, I'm coming to you. The debate is still open. Yes, please.
Arnab, I say that this is nothing new. This is nothing new we are hearing from you, and there have been many debates on the issue. The fact remains that these Hurriyat people, those who have a different voice from us in the state of Jammu and Kashmir, they have been invited to such many occasions, whether it was adoption of the constitution, whether it was the Iftar party, whether it was a Eid Milan. I don't think their invitation is going to make any difference on the basic agenda they have.
Sir,
Now
no,
remains the
sir.
question as
RSN.
More sinister
their
design,
sympathies. Now listen, you have asked a question, have patience. You have asked a question, kindly have patience. There is nothing big about it that they have been invited. Do you think that they are going there
Sir,
for the
it is
first time?
far more sinister.
And what
Let
difference
me
is
tell
going to
you.
make on the ground?
Let me tell
the
you what
situation on the
happens
ground
to
is
these
as it
people.
is. Had they not been, I say, had they not been invited, it would not matter on the ground. Yes, kindly try to understand that. It is not that they are going to get some more support from Pakistan. They have always been saying that they are morally supported by Pakistan. And don't you see that our state, Prime Minister Modi has very recently visited Pakistan, and we are going in a direction where we want a permanent solution in a very
You see, you are their overground wing.
So these things are very
Rafi Ahmad Mir, Rafi Ahmad Mir, you are their overground wing. One second, RSN a minute. RSN 1 minute. RSN 1 minute. Rafi Ahmad Mir, you are their overground wing. You are the party that encourages them. They work directly with the Pakistanis, you work indirectly with the Pakistanis.
Arnab, it's very strange. You are giving a certificate that we are the upper ground here.
Yes, you
People
are.
like you have spoiled the whole situation. In
Yes, you are. Did you not defend the release of Masarat Alam?
Like PDP is trying, we are trying our
Did
level best.
did you not give?
very conducive
Did you
atmosphere
give?
between
Did you
two
give?
of the countries to come together.
You need
And
to
I will
answer
not-
tonight.
I will not
You need to
hesitate in
answer
saying
tonight.
that we are
You
very
need to
committed.
answer tonight. You need to answer. You need to answer tonight, Rafi Ahmad Mir. Did your government give credence to anti-nationals like Masarat Alam by defending their release?
What happens during
Did
these
you
meetings?
defend the release of Masarat Alam or not?
We are here because
Did
of
you
the
or did you
support
not
of the
defend the
people,
release of
and we
Masarat
will
Alam?
Go ahead. We will go ahead. till
Did
our
you
last
defend the
breath.
release
We
of
will ensure
Masarat
that
Alam?
peace prevails
Did
in
you defend the
state
release of
Jammu and
Masarat Alam?
Kashmir. And we will try our level
You
best
answer my
to
question. Did you
the
defend the
country
release
to
of Masarat
come
Alam?
together. We will
Did
not
you
like
defend the release of Masarat Alam?
anybody to disturb
Did you
peace
defend the
in
release
all
of Masarat
India.
Alam?
Explain
Did
Mr.
you or
Mir,
did you not? Did you defend the release
What
of Masarat Alam?
happens
One second.
during
One second.
these meetings
The question is to Mr. Mir. Mr. Mir, one second. RSN, please hold on. Did you slam the Indian government's decision to cancel foreign secretary level talks after Pakistan chose to engage with the separatists over and above the Indian government? You did. Did you defend the release of Masarat Alam? You did. Did you closely consult with separatists before going ahead and forming your government in Jammu and Kashmir? You did. Did Mufti Muhammad Saeed credit the late Mufti Muhammad Saeed credit separatists for the smooth conduct of the state elections after taking oath of office? He did. Should you forget that it was Mehbooba Mufti who advocated a passport for Syed Ali Shah Gilani, who openly claimed support for Pakistan, spewing venom against India? You did. And when I ask you whether you are the overground wing of these groups, you get angry, Mr.
Now
Mir.
we have a view.
View?
that these
What view?
people-
What is your loyalty to your own country? What is your loyalty to your own country?
Yeah,
Should I know first?
we want a solution of the problem.
Solution of the problem?
Wrong if they are allowed to have negotiations. If they go
That
to
is the
Delhi,
problem. Now you
go
reveal
there.
your real
No,
colors.
you don't want a solution.
I think you are unnecessarily raising non-issues which have no bearing.
Mr. Mir,
Kashmiri friends.
Mr. Mir, I'll tell you what happens during these meetings.
No, RSN, one second. GD Bakshi.
In 19...
RSN, one sec.
No, no,
You
you have to- you have to-
may
you
I
have to
tell
give
the our
opportunity
Kashmiri
to those
friends,
who differ with us.
Pakistan will fight India to the last Kashmiri. They will use you for as long as you are so
think,
easily,
General Bakshi,
so
I think you are
cheaply
wrong.
purchasable.
Every method,
That is your problem.
Every corrigion, every
As long as you are so
Have you tried
easily,
Kashmir? Now
so
only thing
cheaply
remains is
purchasable,
peaceful solution.
they will use you.
That is only
They
negotiation.
will fight
That is
India
only
to
negotiation
the last
between the
Kashmiri.
stakeholders. That is
You
only
are
Pakistan and
responsible
India together
for the
will
Kashmiri
organize
blood
strategies.
that has been
I
spilled
think we will succeed in that.
between you and
Very
Pakistan.
small matters.
You are
These very
responsible
small matters who go
for the
to
killing
this
of
party
every
and
single
I
Kashmiri,
think we are-
because the Pakistanis want to fight India till the last
Okay,
Kashmiri.
taking a 2-minute break. And only a 2-minute break.
General Bakshi,
1 second. Rashni Khair and Shabnam Lone. Rashni Khair and Shabnam Lone. Rashni and Shabnam. Rashni and Shabnam, please now. Rashni and Shabnam on the screen, please. Then I'll take a break. 1 second. Rashni and Shabnam. Rashni and Shabnam. Taking him on, and I have a question to ask. But I'll put my question after the break. Rashni.
I will explain PDP's and Mr. Mir's dilemma in a simple one sentence. The people who vote for PDP are the supporters of Hurriyat. So no matter what PDP does or doesn't do, it will never annoy Hurriyat at all. At all, you can take, because the Jamaat cadre,
Mr. Mir.
which basically
Mr. Mir,
does the
Mr. Mir.
groundwork for elections for PDP is the overground worker for Hurriyat. Mr. Mir will never be able to refuse this. Mr. Mir, please tell me, is this not true? Mr. Mir, is this not true?
Absolutely wrong.
No, Mr. Mir, is this not true? The same Jamaat cadre who vote for you are the overground workers of Hurriyat. Mr. Mir, is this not true? Say yes or no. Say yes or no. Don't beat around the bush. Say yes or no.
What is the
Say yes or no.
Now a popular government.
But that's not an answer. That's not an answer.
We only want a solution.
Sir, that's not an answer. The truth is that you will never annoy Hurriyat, because you know the day you annoy Hurriyat, you are going to lose your bastion of South Kashmir. You know this, Mr. Mir. Mr. Mir, let us not fool ourselves into believing
When I
whatever
come
you are
back on
saying.
the other side
You know the
and
day
taking
you
a
annoy
short
Hurriyat,
break,
you will lose your best.
when I come back on the other side,
Sir, let me tell
when
you.
I come back on the other side
Editor,
in
sir,
just
let
in
me
just
tell you.
120 seconds, I will ask
Kindly,
I will ask those who support Pakistan's
come out of
parrots.
this mindset.
The hashtag is
You need to
Pak
have a
parrots.
peaceful solution.
If you believe
In a broader
these separatist leaders in Kashmir are Pak parrots, you can use that hashtag and tweet tonight. When I come back on the other side, I will ask the Pak parrots and those who support the Pak parrots whether or not they have the guts to ask a few straight questions to the Pakistanis when they go celebrating their national day with them. Back in a couple of minutes. Only 120 seconds. I'm back. Okay, GD Bakshi wants to open the debate at this side and he has a question for Mufti Nasirul Islam. Go ahead, GD Bakshi. Go ahead.
मुफ्ती साहब,
Go ahead.
मैं आपसे पूछना चाहता हूं कि क्या हुर्रियत के नुमाइंदे जब पाकिस्तानियों से बात करेंगे तो वहां पाकिस्तान में शियाओं का कत्लो गारत की
बिल्कुल,
बात
बिल्कुल,
उठाएंगे,
बिल्कुल।
अहमदियों की कत्लो गारत की बात उठाएंगे,
नहीं करेंगे, डर से।
बालूचियों की कत्लो गारत की बात उठाएंगे,
नहीं करेंगे, डर से।
सिंध के लोगों के कत्लो गारत की बात उठाएंगे,
चुप रहेंगे।
और सबसे ज्यादा मुहाजिरों के साथ जो हुआ है,
हिम्मत नहीं होगी,
क्या उसकी बात उठाएंगे वो लोग?
हिम्मत
जो
तो नहीं
बस
होगी।
से निकाल के बेचारे शिया मारे गए हैं।
बख्शी साहब, बख्शी
Please,
साहब,
मैं सुन रहा हूं।
बख्शी साहब, हम वहाँ ये बात करेंगे कि गुजरात में किस तरीके से मुसलमानों का कत्लेआम हुआ। हम ये बात करेंगे जम्मू कश्मीर में आपकी फौज
आप
ने
कश्मीर की बात करो।
1,50,000
आप कश्मीर की बात
को
करो।
कत्ल कर डाला। हम ये बात कहेंगे कि
आप कश्मीर की बात करो।
हिंदुस्तान का हिस्सा न था, न है, न रहेगा।
तो साहब मैं भी आपको
अरे
बता
क्यों
दूं,
अपने बाप दादों को गाली दे रहे हो यार?
अरे साहब मैं भी आपको बता दूं,
आपके बाप दादे हिंदुस्तानी थे।
अरे,
अपना डीएनए जाके चेक करवाओ।
अरे साहब
Okay, one second. GD Bakshi.
अरे साहब मैं आपको आज एक चीज समझा दूं, आज से 10,000 साल बाद भी कश्मीर पर हिंदुस्तान का परचम होगा। आपको कोई शक है? कोई शक है आपको? आज से 10,000 साल बाद कश्मीर के ऊपर भारतवर्ष हिंदुस्तान का परचम फहरा रहा होगा, और पाकिस्तान की किसी फौज में इतना दम है तो लेके दिखा दे। अरे साहब आके लेके दिखा दे। 4 बारी कोशिश कर चुके हैं। आप चिल्ला के कश्मीर नहीं लेंगे। आप चिल्ला के कश्मीर नहीं लेंगे। साहब आपको शर्त लगानी है, आप जिंदा नहीं होगे।
Why don't you take a Pakistani passport?
Fulfill your commitment.
Why don't you
for
take
the resolution
why
of
don't
the
you
Kashmir?
why don't you seek political asylum? Let's ask him this. He's so much in love with Pakistan.
Yeah.
Mufti Nasirul
जाइए।
Islam. I'm asking him. He appears to be in love with Pakistan.
तो इनको तशरीफ का टोकरा लेके
he is
जाएं।
devoted to Pakistan.
I have love for you also.
And
I have love for you also.
spare me that. My question to you is, why don't you take a Pakistani passport and live there? What's your problem?
Why?
Why?
No, why?
What will you lose?
Famously said, we want
आपको
Kashmir,
इतनी
not
मोहब्बत
Kashmiris.
है,
No, just
What will you
tell me
आपके
why?
दिल में
Your relevance
इतनी
is
मोहब्बत
I
है कि
belong to
No,
the
your
soil
relevance
of
is
Kashmir. And Kashmir belongs to
because
me.
I'll tell you what
Why should I look after
No,
for
I'll
the
tell you what you
alternate?
lose, because you should have the guts. You don't have the guts to ask a serious question to the
I have the
Pakistanis.
guts.
You don't.
I'm
You don't.
coming
You don't. And if you do,
I'm coming
if you
on
do,
your show,
if you
and I'm telling you
do,
boldly
if you
that-
do,
that
if you
look
do,
here,
then my question
India-
to you is Mufti
Kashmir
Nasirul
is the
Islam,
dispute. Settle
Deputy
down this
Grand
dispute.
Mufti.
If people want to go with
Deputy
India, we don't
Grand
have any
Mufti
problem.
Nasirul
If people want to go
Islam,
with-
will you ask the
live as a
Pakistanis
separate entity,
about
we
their
don't have any
support to
problem.
terrorism as admitted by their own standing committee, Shabnam Lone? Should Mufti Nasirul Islam show his guts by telling the Pakistanis about their support to terror as admitted by the Standing Committee of Pakistan's Foreign Affairs Committee of Parliament, which says that Pakistan should not encourage
condemn,
talk.
We condemn terrorism in every form.
Really?
Even if the state terrorism
can I
is there,
come in,
we condemn
So
that.
will you then
We
ask,
condemn that.
do you have the courage to ask, or are you too weak or cowardly to ask why Masood Azhar is not named in the Pathankot FIR?
Why?
You have the
Because
guts
there is
to
no
ask
charge sheet
Basit that
against him.
question?
No, because there is no charge sheet against
No,
him.
do you? Now you're talking like a Pakistani politician. Please tell me, will you ask
No,
the
it's not a
will you ask the
Pakistani
Pakistanis
politician. It is a
who you are
Pakistan
sold
is a-
out to?
Yeah,
Will you
just
ask
one
the
minute. Pakistan
Pakistanis?
has
Will you ask the
independent
Pakistanis
history.
about a
Pakistan has
trial for a terror
independent
attack that killed over 160
And
people?
it is
Continues
very
8
difficult
years
to
in
find
their
out
courts.
Whether Masood is involved or not.
Are you a complete Pakistani student?
Now
Or
let me
half a
give you an
Pakistani?
example
RSS?
what is coordinated in these meetings
How
with the Hurriyat.
How?
Don't mind, I'm very direct.
And now let me give you an example as to what is coordinated.
You want to force your opinion on me, and I should speak your language. I should be your parent, and then you will agree with me.
Mufti.
Okay, why don't you, just one question to Mufti Nasirul Islam. Mufti Nasirul Islam, why don't you migrate to Pakistan occupied Kashmir? Because you can't speak like this out there. Because you can't speak like this out there. Go there, be stripped of all your human rights.
My God.
Be treated in a manner that is not worthy of a human being. If you are in Pakistan occupied Kashmir, the basic human rights will be denied to you. And I think you ought to give up your Indian passport.
Arnab,
One second.
I said Arnab Goswami. I am Kashmiri first. I represent the people of Kashmir.
you represent? Which election did you fight?
On what basis do you represent?
On what basis?
How many votes have you got? 2, 3,
Come
2.5?
on,
No, please,
here.
बताइए.
I fight election with you.
On what basis
with
do
your
you say?
Prime Minister.
You
Come
don't
on,
represent
I
any
challenge you
Kashmiri.
today.
You represent nobody but your own selfish interest.
And the money that you got.
Yeah, my God. Because I'm not your parent. I don't speak your language.
Mufti Nasirul Islam.
I don't accept your preposterous
Mufti
questions.
Nasirul Islam, I don't want you to be our parrot. I want you to be your own parrot. Right now, you're a Pakistani parrot. That's the difference. Be your own parrot. It's a more honorable thing to
Because
do. You should ask.
Arnab Goswami, when I speak truth, you find it bitter.
No, I want to ask you. Well, anyway, let me tell you. Why please speak the truth, and please go and tell that fellow. What's his name? Basit. You know, a lot of Indians prostrate before him all the time. I don't know why. I'm asking you, why don't you ask that fellow Basit?
Nobody prostrates before him.
What do you do?
Muslims never prostrate.
What do you do? You engage in a statesman-like conversation.
The entire Arnab gang come in.
Yes,
the
Shabnam.
entire
This is a
Lutyens
procession
Delhi
of different
will be in
kind.
attendance at the Pakistan
Well, let
High
me tell you
Commission.
this, no self-respecting
You go and see
Indian should
Akshay
attend that
reporters to be
event.
there.
No
The
self-respecting
entire
Indian.
Lutyens Delhi will
I'd
be
say this, no self-respecting
Yeah, because
Indian
he won't ask
should attend
them
that
not to
event.
go.
There should be a complete boycott of that event this year. There should be. Because of what Pakistan has done of late. Because we have not forgotten.
Let us see.
Pardon me?
Let us see. I am waiting for that moment. Let me see.
You know, I don't know with what face anybody will shake Basit's hand in New Delhi, given the fact that in February this year, a 23-year-old army para-commando, Captain Pawan Kumar, was martyred by terrorists who were allowed to be infiltrated across the border into India by Pakistan. After this, do you have the guts to go and ask Pakistan what you did out there on the border?
Old boy was
Have
killed
some
by
loyalty
Indians.
to the soil on which you stand. RSN and Mufti.
And Mufti, you know what you do in your meetings with the Pakistani embassy. You coordinate the militant activities. Let me give you an example. In 1980, when Benazir Bhutto came to power for the first time, and Mr. Leghari came here in India, you Hurriyat leaders, you told Mr. Leghari that Sardar Qayyum, the chief minister, the prime minister of POK, should not be changed. Otherwise, your entire militant network will go bust. This is a record, Mr. Mufti. So there is absolutely no difference between the militants whom you provide all kinds of
answer the
hospitality.
question.
And let me say, when I say all kinds of hospitality hospitality. I really mean all kinds of hospitality, Mr. Mufti. So, sir, therefore, in all these meetings,
this is just
the Pakistani embassy, you only coordinate militant activities.
No. You
So there is no difference.
The story and you just come up with the story in the time now.
between Lashkar-e-Toiba,
Please, for God's sake,
and
people
all
see
these
what you are saying.
supporters. All these supporters, just because you are wearing a coat and a shirt.
It is all nonsense and top me rot you are talking.
Mr. Mufti,
beta.
you may be a grand Mufti or the grandest Mufti, I don't know. You are just another shade of militancy.
Please.
And I know what you want.
I don't know who you are, but please speak the truth. Please speak the truth.
Okay, what
सच
is-
बोलिए, सच बोलने में कोई हर्ज नहीं है. आपको कोई नहीं
अरे
मारेगा.
भाई लेघारी साहब से आप लोग मिले थे, प्रेसिडेंट लेघारी से आप मिले
अरे
थे,
भाई, खुदा के
आपने
लिए।
उनको कहा कि बेनजीर को बोलिए कि
झूठ बोलने का सारा ठेका मुफ्ती साहब ने ले रखा है, बाकी सब सच बोलिए. मुफ्ती साहब आपको छोड़ के बाकी सब सच बोल रहे हैं आज.
उनके साथ मिलके वो खत्म हो जाएगी.
मुफ्ती साहब आपको छोड़ के सब सच बोल रहे हैं, सिर्फ आपने झूठ बोलने का ठेका ले रखा है.
Now tell me, Sushant Sareen, why,
आप कितना झूठ बोलते हैं?
कश्मीरी
It
पंडित
is very clear what you represent, Grand Mufti, is an extension of the mindset of the IS.
You have a hate for Muslims. I know
Is an extension of the IS. You have the same mentality as that of Islamic State. Was it your father who banned that all-girl band in Kashmir?
Yes, he has the right. Who are you to ask this?
he does
Or
not
you
have the
to
right.
him?
He has no right.
Yes.
He has no right.
No, yes or no?
Yes,
That
right.
reflects who
No,
you are.
sir,
Medieval mindset
And
of
who
a
is that?
Islamist. That is what you are. A medieval mindset of
We
a
are not going to have
Islamist.
any such thing.
This
This
is
is
your
against the
mind.
policy of Kashmir.
You people are so
Don't
small,
dictate
that you cannot.
Don't dictate
आपका गला बहुत खराब हो गया, आप एक कहवा पी लीजिए. I suggest you have a कहवा. Your throat is really bad. और थोड़ा ठंडा हो जाइए.
हाँ ठंडा हो जाएगा. सच
Blood pressure
बोलते हैं
चढ़ जाएगा
ठंडा हो
आपको.
जाएगा. आप है.
Sushant Sareen, is it possible?
I really pity you, Grand Mufti.
हंसने में
I
क्या
really
हर्ज है?
pity Kashmir
हंसने में
that you
क्या
are
हर्ज
going
है?
to be a Grand Mufti
I
next.
feel shame. I feel shame to come to this program.
Well, the facts are being told.
Really, I pity the day that you will become Grand Mufti.
The truth is being
and
told.
you are giving us lectures on
No,
truth
I am.
when all that you have said for these years is
Come
just
on,
lies.
have a. मैं आपको
that's
come on,
not
have a
the-
referendum
that's
here.
not the issue.
Come on.
You shouldn't.
That's not the
You
issue.
shouldn't. You have no right to
Come
truth.
here.
You
I will have
stooges
a
of
referendum.
Pakistan, you have
Come on.
destroyed Kashmir.
The question tonight.
I will not, because you just exposed yourself, Grand Mufti.
The question tonight.
No, I have not. I have said
You
the
are
truth.
threatening me on
You
TV
have
and saying
not
Kashmiri
accepted
Pandits will
this
burn in
as a
hell.
reality.
This is what you are. You are basically an extension of the Islamic
Kashmiri
State,
Pandits were
the
thrown
mindset
out.
of Islamic
It
State.
was an
People
intrigue.
like you are
It
sick.
was an intrigue played by government of India. You must understand that.
The question is, listen, Deputy Grand Mufti.
Oh, come on,
Islam,
please,
calm
for
down.
God's sake now.
Calm
And who is
down,
Mutta
Mufti
Karate, your
Nasrul
uncle?
Islam. The question is very
Jagmohan ne-
simple.
Who is Mutta Karate and Yasin
Very
Malik? They are your
simple.
uncles. They killed Kashmiri Pandits. Do you have the courage to say their names?
What?
You are lying all the time. काबा किस मुंह से जाओगे?
I
गालिब
didn't
शर्म
hear you.
तुमको मगर नहीं आती.
क्या?
काबा किस मुंह से जाओगे? गालिब शर्म तुमको मगर नहीं आती.
हाँ, इतनी ना बड़ा
Obviously you
पाकिया
won't.
दामन की
Obviously you won't.
दामन
I
को जरा
understand why you
देख,
won't.
जरा बंदे कबा देख. चलिए हम भी शेर आपको सुनाते हैं. इतनी न बड़ा पाकिया दामन की हिकायत, दामन को जरा देख, जरा बंदे कबा देख.
मुफ्ती नसीर-
आपका दामन तो गुनाहों से भरा हुआ है.
Nasirul Islam.
आप वो वाले मौलवी साहब हैं कि कल कहाँ मैं खाने का दरवाजा गालिब और कहाँ वाइज, बस इतना जानते हैं कल मैं जाता था कि हम निकले.
वतन परस्ती जैसा
कल वो चाहता था कि हम निकले. आप you must be you are keeping the people of Kashmir in darkness, Grand Mufti, and your father after he banned these 3 girls who were singing, really it is a shame that you are a Mufti.
Okay,
Please
now-
learn from people like Maulana Rumi who were really Muftis.
You have to tell to tell us.
I have a request.
भाई कब दे नंगे कब हमें ये कहना है, अब हमारी बेटियों को कहना है चलिए भाई आप नंगे सड़कों पे घूमिए बिकॉज हिंदुस्तान में आप रह रहे हैं.
I think you have a
उनको आपने क्यों गाने नहीं दिया बताइए आप.
I have a really sick, but that's not the point. Is simple. That let's go back to the question. The question tonight is this. The question tonight is this.
Grand Mufti.
Here is Deputy Grand Mufti of Pakistan. All I'm saying is Shabnam Loan. All I'm saying is this. You want to celebrate the adoption of Pakistan's constitution? Go back and ask yourself, what passport
Arnab,
do I
I
hold?
haven't spoken.
What?
Please
No,
let
no.
me
What
speak.
passport do I
Arnab,
hold? No, Shabnam Loan.
you should-
Shabnam Loan. There has to be a limit.
Come on.
You're carrying an Indian passport. You cannot.
no, I
You
think
cannot
you should
refuse to
allow Shabnam
accept
Loan
the
to
Indian
speak.
constitution.
You're talking to me,
You
Arnab.
are carrying the passport
Arnab,
because you
you're talking
accept
to
the
me.
constitution. Remember that. You are carrying the passport because you've
Of course
signed
I'm an
that you
Indian.
accept the Indian constitution.
Arnab, I'm saying I am an Indian. I have said that you don't make assumptions. Please listen
That question
to me
is to
what
the
I'm
Deputy
saying.
Grand Mufti.
2 points.
That question is to him.
Two quick points I'll make. 2 quick points, Arnab, let me make. Rashnik, I hope Rashnik is hearing me. Now, both Mufti Saab and Rashnik, they really
Yes, I am there,
are talking
Shabnam
to
Appa.
each other with lot of anger. But Rashnik, I am saying it is time for us to move forward. Atvana Kershilpert, Nyai Trayu, Mai Bagrayu Panuin. That is what we have to
Shabnam,
do. With regard to the fact
Shabnam, I remember Mahjur. Shabnam, I remember Mahjur like the back of my hand. But not after he tells me that all Kashmiri Pandits will burn in hell. You think you can talk to such people?
No, that is very
I know
wrong.
Mahjur like the back of my hand.
Extremely, that is
I
a
remember-
great
And on that note-
that I condemn that statement. I condemn that statement.
And on
should
that
not
note-
have come Kashmiri Pandits.
Yes,
and
please.
Muslims,
And on that note,
we
I'm
really
closing.
have to coexist
I feel
together.
it is
That
time.
a highly
It is time
condemnable
for a
statement.
complete
Now
boycott.
let me say
It is
one
time
thing.
for a
Arnab,
complete boycott.
Arnab, can
I said, Sushant, this
What?
time,
Arnab,
this
can
year,
I come in,
Sushant,
please?
there needs to be a
Arnab,
complete
Arnab,
boycott.
no, Arnab,
There
this
needs
is
to be a
unfair.
complete
One point.
boycott of the
Arnab,
Pakistan
one
Day
point.
celebrations at the High Commission.
1 point.
Complete
Arnab,
boycott.
Arnab, 1 point.
You should
Two
boycott it
parties-
too, Shabnam.
Arnab, 2 parties are going. I have not been invited. They never invite me. You
Good.
call
If you
me
did,
a
you should
separatist,
boycott it.
And those Pakistanis, they never invite me. Rashnik and I, we have not been invited. Rashnik, at least we have parity on that.
Okay,
side.
I
Both
thank you all for
and I,
joining me.
we have not been invited.
Sushant, time for a complete boycott of Pak Day. Are you with me on
Shabnam, I
that?
carry it
Sushant
as a badge of
Sushant
honor.
Sareen, last
I
point on
carry
that.
it as a
Time for a
badge of
complete
honor
boycott.
that I am not invited to
Sushant
such an
possible?
event.
Sushant possible? Sushant possible?
I am also not invited.
Sushant.
Can I just say,
No,
I
I'm
can't
not-
Sushant.
What
three
about
things,
what
Sushant.
about
very small
Lutyens
things.
Delhi?
Sushant,
What about
Number one,
Lutyens
I think
Delhi,
Shabnam
which
Loan
will
is right
celebrate
when she says
Pakistan
that half
Day.
of
You
Lutyens
should
Delhi
be
will
very
go out
clear.
there. But Lutyens Delhi has already seceded from India, so Lutyens Delhi does not count for much. Number one. Number two, I think it's a shame the way some of these Hurriyat leaders genuflect before these minions of the Pakistani High Commission,
Shameful.
especially knowing that they are responsible for the killings of their fathers and their children in Kashmir. For example, the Mir Bhai's father was killed by Pakistanis, Abdul Ghani Bhatt's brother was killed by the Pakistanis,
Closing.
etc. I could go on. And yet they go and sup with the devil himself. God bless them. And finally, the very fact that Arnab, you have called for a boycott means it will not happen, because you know there is a section out here which is going to react completely opposite
I
to what
honestly-
you say.
I honestly
so I
don't
think
know.
the boycott is going to happen.
I don't know.
But I welcome your call.
I don't understand the logic, the reasoning, or the motivations of that small section, very small section, but very vocal, small section in Lutyens Delhi. It's smaller and smaller by the day. I thank you all. I thank you all for joining me on debate number 1 on the Park Parrots.